Here's all the things that we'll need this week for building a carry case for a battle mat. I recently bought a battle mat and was quite surprised that it didn't come with its own carry case, and this is the quickest and affordable solution that I could figure out. My local plumbers merchants was great for sourcing the parts at affordable prices, but a DIY shop should have them too. Just a very quick interruption to say that I used this pipe cement, however it's entirely optional. Sorry guys, it looks like when the MP4 was converting, it corrupted the file and cut it off. Basically, all I did was to attach the single coupler, then to do the exact same process of just either compression fitting, which is just pushing it in, or to use pipe cement to put on the screw attachment, and you're done. Simple as that. Originally, I was quite happy at just being a protective tube, but I decided to add on a handle. If you look on YouTube for an Alice braid pack handle, you'll find loads of people who will show you how to make a handle just like this one. If you've had to make a carry case for your own War Games mat, how did you do it? This was the best solution that I could come up with, but I'm sure there's loads of ideas out there. Please leave suggestions in the comments below for anybody who wants to make their own. Thanks again. Bye.